Imagine a world where the quality and reliability of services are not just promised but delivered. Welcome to that world. Welcome to Zip Glass. Nestled in the heart of Mission Viejo, California, Zip Glass is your go-to destination for all auto glass repair services and windshield replacement needs. We aren't just a service provider. We're a team of skilled technicians, experts in our field, devoted to providing exceptional service with top-tier products. At Zip Glass, we believe in the power of specialization. Our technicians are not just trained, they are certified to the highest standards of the industry. But we don't stop there. We stand behind our workmanship with a lifetime warranty. Yes, you heard it right, a lifetime warranty on our workmanship. Because we believe in the quality of our work and we're confident you will too. We don't just offer services, we offer convenience. With Zip Glass, you get access to our free mobile service for windshield replacement. Wherever you are, whether it's your house, your business, or any designated location, we come to you at no extra charge. We understand that your time is valuable and sometimes we can even get to you on the same day. But what about the cost, you may wonder? At Zip Glass, we pride ourselves on our competitive prices, coupled with our certified installers, original equipment manufacturer quality materials, lifetime warranty, and free mobile service. The value we offer is unparalleled. So why wait? Give us a call at 888-434-3814 for a free phone quote today. At Zip Glass, we're not just about windshield replacement and auto glass repair services. We're about quality, reliability, and most importantly, we're about you.